Good afternoon, YouTubers. Manny here from Manny's How-To Workshop with a quick little video on laying down some screed using a wooden float. And basically this is just like the first kind of layer that I'm putting down. This screed that you see right here, let me get a close-up, was left over from that project that I helped my buddy with, laying down those pavers. And since he didn't need the rest of it, he said, hey, you can have that. So I had him brought it home, and what I'm doing is I'm gonna put it down right here on the right side of my house, where, you know, I put my nice fence right there. And basically what I'm gonna do here is lay some concrete 4 by 8 by 16, so that when it's all said and done, I'm going to have a nice platform where I'm going to be parking my boat or my trailer, and then eventually my camper. After, you know, I sell the boat and convert the trailer that I use to carry this stuff here into a camper. So basically, like I was saying, here's my wooden float here, and all I'm doing is taking down some of these high spots, and basically all you gotta do is just, you know, smooth it out like that. You know, just take it, run it across like so. I hope you guys can see that, because it's very bright out here and I can barely see what I'm doing through the camera, that is. But anyway, so basically that's all you got to do. Take a wooden float like this and just kind of like level it off, you know, by hand. And I know you're probably asking, how come you're not using a rake? Well, my rake is at my other job that I'm doing, which is that 160-foot fence job, and picking all of my tools up tomorrow. So this is the next best thing that I have to go ahead and smooth this out before I come back and use my tamper that I also made in another video to go ahead and tamp it down a little bit, and which is going to help keep the weeds down a little too, you know. So basically, like I said, you just take the edge like that, scrape it, you know, to a uniform height, and then just come back over lightly and just let it float over the top of it, you know, just to get a basic, you know, levelness of it. It's like so. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta do. Like I said, you know, just take the float, smooth it out. There's a crunchy spot right there, and then just go over like that. Alright, so this is probably going to be part 1 of this project, because it's going to be involved. There's going to be a lot more to it than just laying down the concrete blocks here. If you notice, I have some bags over my galvanized post. What I did was I bought some extensions, 2-foot extensions, to put on top of those, which will raise this to about 8 feet high. And if you can see the top of my frame right there, which the gate's going to go right across to the other side to the house. So basically I'm going to end up putting a lean-to roof right here, going up like that to right about below where my gavel vent is, because I can't block that. But so like I said, I'm gonna have a roof that's gonna go from here to there, you know, with a pretty good pitch, not too steep of a pitch, but enough that's gonna go ahead and cover this whole 26 by 9.5 area here. Provide me a nice place to park my, my toys, if you will. So there you go, guys. By the way, this stuff right here, this Screed, oh my god, this stuff is awesome. I wish I had known this, long time ago. I'd have been using it in other jobs that I've been doing before. But as you can see, I actually did a pretty good job of just using the wooden float. Like I said, it's just a basic, smoothing out of it. If I had my rake, it would go much easier, but this is working good too. And obviously, I still need about another half yard to finish off this front section. And then, when I'm going to go ahead and put the blocks down, I'll get another 1.5 yards of it. Because I want to get at least a good 2 to 3 inch base layer here. Because of course this is going to get compacted down, so you want to make sure the blocks have something nice and firm to sit on. Alright guys, as always, thank you for watching. Please give me a like if you found this video to be helpful in a project like this for you, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright, take care.